If you've ever spent hours staring at a timeline, meticulously keyframing a mask, or trying to perfectly sync audio drops, you know editing can be an absolute grind. Welcome to today's explainer. We're diving into the source material, Mastering the Edge, the ultimate guide to CapCut AI, breaking down exactly how complex AI tools are fundamentally changing our entire workflow. Okay, let's dive into this. What if hours of editing took just one click? I mean, think about the old way of doing things. The manual masking, hand typing out every single subtitle, the painstaking color correction. It took hours, sometimes days, just for a short clip. But what our source material reveals is a massive paradigm shift. We are looking at a platform that promises to take those exact same hours of labor and distill them down to literal seconds. It's an absolute game changer for creators at every skill level. So here is our roadmap for today's explainer. First, we'll meet CapCut AI, then look at time-saving features, peek under the hood, weigh the good and the bad, and finally, do your first AI edit. Let's jump right into Section 1, Meet CapCut AI. And this brilliantly illustrates the core thesis of our source material. It literally transforms tedious manual editing tasks into one-click solutions. Built by ByteDance, the parent company behind TikTok, this suite of integrated AI tools is designed to just completely automate the heavy lifting. And this matters because it's leveling the playing field. Professional-level video production, which honestly used to require years of training on incredibly complex software, is now totally accessible to absolute beginners, while at the same time supercharging the efficiency of veteran creators. Moving on to Section 2, Features that Save Time. Our guide outlines this incredible toolkit that just totally eliminates massive chunks of manual labor. First up, Auto-Captions actually listens and automatically generates highly accurate subtitles in multiple languages. Then there's Remove Background, which isolates your main subject without you ever needing to iron a green screen. Seriously, it's magic. Text to Video lets you literally type a prompt, and the AI generates relevant B-roll footage to match your script. We've also got AutoCut for instant montages, AI characters to read your scripts, which is perfect for faceless channels or business presentations, and the Voice Enhancer. That one isolates your voice and strips away background noise, making you sound like you're in a professional studio, even if you recorded right next to a busy highway. Let's dig a little deeper in Section 3, Under the Hood. So how is a piece of software doing all of this so quickly? Well, the first core concept here is computer vision. When you apply an AI effect, the software begins this phase of intense data analysis, scanning your media frame by frame. For instance, with background removal, the algorithm actively detects the edges of a human figure. It calculates exactly where you end and the room behind you begins, neatly separating your form from the background pixels. Understanding this actually helps you as a creator, because the better your lighting and contrast, the better the AI can scan and isolate you. Now, what's really interesting about this next concept is how the AI handles audio and pacing. It's called algorithmic syncing, and this is what powers the AutoCut feature. Instead of you manually listening to a song and guessing where to place a video cut, the AI analyzes the actual audio waveforms. It actively searches for the musical beats, the exact drops in a song, and automatically cuts your video clips perfectly on those specific markers. It literally listens to the rhythm for you. But there is a technical reality to all this power, and that's the difference between local and cloud processing. Some of the basic AI features run locally, right there on the hardware of your phone or computer. However, the heavy AI tasks, things like generating video from text or doing that high-end voice isolation, require massive computational power. For those, CapCut relies on cloud computing. Your data is quickly sent to remote servers, processed rapidly by massive AI models, and sent right back to your timeline in seconds. For you, this just means you can generate high-end edits on a basic smartphone, as long as you have a solid internet connection. Which brings us to Section 4, the good and the bad. Let's weigh the reality of using this platform. On the usability front, it's highly intuitive and beginner-friendly, for sure. But the trade-off? You're giving up the granular, microscopic control you'd get in heavy-duty software like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. When it comes to efficiency, it undeniably saves hours of manual work. However, complex AI features can take time to render depending on your device. Finally, accessibility. It's seamlessly available across mobile, desktop, and web. The drawback here is that because of that cloud processing we just discussed, most of these heavy-lifting AI features require a strong, constant internet connection to function. Then there is the cost factor. You can access an incredibly powerful suite of AI generation and editing tools completely for free. But there is a ceiling. If you want the absolute best AI features, specifically things like high-quality AI avatars or advanced teleprompter tools, those are locked behind the CapCut Pro paid subscription. It's a very generous free tier, don't get me wrong, but keep in mind that the highest-end professional features will eventually cost you. So the crucial point is understanding the data reality. Because the software utilizes cloud processing and connects directly to the TikTok ecosystem, privacy concerns have been raised by some users and organizations regarding how that cloud data is processed. It's simply a reality of cloud-based features that users should be aware of when weighing their options and utilizing these tools. All right, let's wrap up with Section 5, your first AI edit. Let's see how this builds and make it completely tangible. Step 1. Download the app, click New Project, and import a video clip with spoken dialogue. Step 2. On the bottom toolbar, tap Text, select Auto-Captions, choose your language, and hit Generate. Step 3. Just let the AI work. In literally seconds, perfectly synced text boxes will appear right on your timeline. And Step 4. Refine any spelling errors, adjust your fonts or colors, and click Export to save it. It is truly that straightforward. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a thought. With tools this powerful, automating the tedious mechanics of production, will AI editing tools make human editors obsolete? Or do they simply remove the boring stuff, raising the baseline so we can focus purely on creativity and storytelling? It's a massive shift in how we create, and it's something every focused learner should be pondering as these tools continue to evolve. Thanks for joining me, keep learning, and I'll see you next time.